Hi, grade 4. Yesterday, we started talking about how will I know if I'm getting the better buy on something? How will I know if I'm getting the best value? In this example, we have 500 grams of rice for 75 crowns and a kilogram of rice for 125 crowns. How can I figure out which one is the better buy? One of the skills that we need in order to be able to figure this out is we need to be able to convert different units of measurement. So when we look at these 2 bags of rice, which one's bigger, 500 grams or 1 kilogram? How many grams are in 1 kilogram? Those are things that we need to be able to figure out. You've already watched a Brain Pop video this morning. And remember, from the Brain Pop video, we learned that we measure volume or capacity in liters. That's what we would measure milk or different kinds of yogurt drinks or soda or water. Things that are liquid, we tend to measure in volume or capacity. We measure weight in grams. Weight is how we would measure or sell things like meat, fruits and vegetables, some packaged things like pastas or jams might also be in grams. And we measure length or distance in meters. This is how most things in the store on rolls are sold. For example, toilet paper or saran wrap, things like that, string, yarn. By thinking like word detectives, we can figure out how different units of measurement compare. So for example, we know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 centimeter equals 1/100th of a meter. And 1 milliliter equals 1,000th of a liter. The prefix kilo, centi, milli tells us how the unit compares to the base unit, grams, meters, or liters. So a kilogram will tell us how, that prefix kilo will tell us how a kilogram connects to grams. They give us clues. Now here's where I want you to remember that decimals are a kind of fraction, a special kind of fraction connected to our base 10 place value system. And decimals are important when we think about converting units of measurement. So we can see in the one picture here that 1 liter is much bigger than a deciliter. We could say that there are 10 deciliters in a liter, and there are 100 centiliters in a liter, although that's not shown in the picture. In our next photo, you can see some length measurements here. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. When you look at a meter stick, you can see that. And we could split that 1 meter up into 10 groups of 10 centimeters. Those are decimeters. And we can do the same with kilograms and grams. We can see that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams because kilo means 1,000. And here we've actually split the kilogram up into 10 hectograms. But what do all these prefixes mean, and how will I ever remember them? Again, in the Brain Pop video, they shared a mnemonic with us, or a memory trick. And this mnemonic, King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk, can help us remember the different metric prefixes. K in king is also for kilo. Kilo means 1,000. H is for hecto, and it means 100. Hecto is not used as often as kilo, centi, or milli. That's why there are arrows on top of those. Next we have deca. Deca means 10 times larger. Deca isn't often used, but sometimes it is, and sometimes it's spelt with a K, D-E-K-A. Then we have our units, meters, liters, and grams. Deci is like in decimal. It means a tenth. And centi, like centimeters or centipedes, means 100th. And milli means 1,000th. Today in your math class, you're going to practice with your teacher converting between different units of measurement.